So today I'm trying the UniWigs closed lace topper. This is her. As you can see, she's got gorgeous mesh through here, and because there's no ribbing through there, you can see the scalp and it's going to look really natural. When I show you what it looks like in, you're going to be astounded at how they were able to do this via DM. So yeah, I'm excited to see her in. So let's do that now. So as you can see, because my bio hair is super short at the moment, we're rocking a mullet here. But I mean, the feel of this is just beyond. It is so soft. So yeah, let's get it cut. So she comes with a halo wire, which I'd never used before, and I was a little bit nervous about using, but game changer. You pop her on like this, and then I've kind of got my part here. And if you have a look, I've got my part there too. So we flip it back and then we line up the parts, and then you'll see that the wire is here. So I like to just pop the wire behind, pull some hair forward. That usually just goes behind my ears. Same on the other side. It honestly feels like I'm not even wearing anything on my head at this point. It's so amazing. There she is right there. And then pull out a little bit of hair at the front. Now, you can clip just the sides and the back, but the point of the wire is that if you don't want to, you don't have to clip the front, which for me is like the biggest change, because that is what gives me headaches. As you can tell, she looks pretty spot on already. If you want to, you can add a little bit of concealer or something through the root here, just to give her a little bit of extra concealment, and just blend that one section into the next. I would just do it very, very sparingly because you don't want to draw attention to it. She's cute already. As you can see, my hairdresser did like such an amazing cut. And this topper dries a little wavy naturally. So next step, if you want to, we can go in with, I use a slow drying brush. I like it to be kind of slick at the back and then a bit wavy through the front. So here we go. And then the last step is just a little bit of spray. Like to mess her up a little bit. I'm so happy with this. This is like, feels like me, you know. It doesn't feel heavy. It feels unbelievably soft, just like my bio hair. You can have a look here. It is pretty undetectable. I love that you can see the scalp showing through.